Hello everyone, I'm super excited to record this video because I've already found only working method to get free gems in Mechat. As you can see, for my mobile devices is already installed application Mechat++, and this application works for Android or iOS devices. And to get free gems for Mechat, all you to do, you must enter amount as you want. So I enter this number. The next step is press generate. So now we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our Mechat account will be open and every gems will be generated. Okay, it's already open our account. As you can see, everything is absolutely for free. It's awesome. And now boom, I get these free gems in Mechat. This application Mechat++ works for Android or iOS devices in 2023, and this video tutorial I will show you how to get this application for your mobile devices. How to get Mechat++? Basically, it's very easy method. All you to do, you must open your favorite browser and follow me. Super easy method. Type this the Mechat++. Okay, press install. Now we must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, Mechat++ will be installed for our iOS or Android devices. Okay, and yeah, this is last step. Mechat++ is already installed in my mobile devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.